back to my channel. Today I'm going to creepy clownify myself. So I'm going to start off using my Mehron Clown White Light Cream and applying that all over my face. Also, I forgot to mention, I already went ahead and I glued down my eyebrows with a glue stick just to make a flatter base. Now that I have that all whited out, I'm going to set that in with a white powder. I'm going to use this Harlow white powder. Alright, time for the mouth. I'm going to use a black. This is a water activated black paint. And I'm going to do a little pretty creepy clown smile. I want it to be a bit like wild crazy, so I'm just doing black and like kind of wisping out my brush to get some just like weird lines. Okay, so I want to sharpen a few of the lines at the end, so I'm going to use a black liquid liner. I'm just using this Sephora one, and I'm going to try to sharpen up some of the edges. Alright, I think I am digging that. So let's move on to the nose, I'm thinking. I'm going to use this red bin Nye color and make a little clown nose. I'm probably going to be blowing red out of my nose for a bit, but I think it'll be worth it. Alright, I think the nose is good, so now I'm going to move on to the clown eyes. I'm going to use the same red. I think I'm going to do some like red random lines on the eyes and see what's up. Maybe a little swirl action, because why not? I think this one I'm gonna do a swirl on the top. Alright, now I'm going to go back to that same black I was using and add some black to the eyes. Okay, now I'm going to go in and again touch up some of those lines and make them more wispy and wild. Alright, feeling nice and crackers looking. So I think it's time to move on to the neck next. Yeah. So I am gonna do red and see what I can whip up here. And then I'm gonna go over that in black too. Alright, now I want to do some shading, so I'm going to go in with a black from my Morphe palette and just shade everything out. Shading is my favorite part, always. I just think it makes it look so much more dark and creepy. Okay, now that I have that, I'm going to go back in with my black eyeliner and just kind of touch up a few spots that I think need it. So I think now it's time to pop in some crazy contacts. And I also got these teeth recently that I haven't used yet. From Distortions. They are these like super sharp teeth that I'm gonna pop in, and yeah, I'm just super excited to wear them. I totally forgot to do this splatter, so I'm doing it now with the toothbrush. Okay, much better. I think that really adds a nice touch. Honestly, that's kind of cool too. Maybe I'm just gonna leave it. Alright, that's all for this creepy clown look. I obviously cannot talk, so I'm going to stop talking, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!